Class 10 History and Civics, Chapter The First World War 1914 to 1918. In 1914, there broke out a war which soon engulfed the whole of the world in its viscous circle. This in history is called the First World War. It was different from the previous wars in many respects. It was fought on a worldwide scale and deeply influenced all the countries of the world. It was fought on land, in the air, on the sea and under the sea. New methods of destruction and defense were used in it. It was fought not only by armies, navies and air forces, but by the whole people of the world. It brought a great disaster and also sowed the seeds of more discord for the future. Causes of the First World War. The First World War broke out in 1914 and engulfed the whole world. The two main reasons for the breaking out of the First World War were the division of Europe into two hostile groups and the arms race. When Germany started increasing her naval force and army, an arms race began for armaments between the rival groups. Another important cause of the First World War was the rise of militant nationalism. Mutual trust had completely vanished, and all countries wanted to settle all matters through aggression and military campaigns. Such militant nationalism proved very harmful for the whole country. Humanity, all these factors had been simmering for long. The immediate cause was the murder of Austrian Archduke Ferdinand at Sarajevo in Bosnia on June 28, 1914. The Serbians were blamed for it and were given an ultimatum. As Serbia refused to comply with some of the conditions, Austria attacked Serbia on July 28, 1914. Results: Treaty of Versailles in 1919. The First World War came to an end in 1918. The Treaty of Versailles was signed in 1919. As a result of this treaty, the following changes were made in the different fields. Germany was humiliated by the Treaty of Versailles, 1919. She and her allies had to cede pre-war territories. Even the productive Saar Valley was ceded to France. She had to lose all her colonial empire and was divided among the victors. The Rhine Valley was demilitarized, and the German army was also reduced to 1 lakh and was deprived of any air force or submarines. She had to accept war guilt and was compelled to pay a huge sum as war indemnity. These factors led to the rise of Nazism and Nazi leaders. Hitler violated the terms of the Treaty of Versailles, taking the world into the Second World War. Austria-Hungary were forced to sign the Treaty of Saint-Germain with the Allies. Turkey also signed a separate treaty, that is, the Treaty of Sevres. The League of Nations, an international organization with the name of League of Nations, was set up to avoid such a deadly war in future, but it ultimately failed in this attempt. Its headquarters were at Geneva in Switzerland. Here ends this chapter.